Here's the news of the day. Hoverfly Technologies' Spectre UAS received Green UAS certification, meeting top cybersecurity and supply chain standards for secure defense use. Teledyne Flir is supplying Japan's Maritime Self-Defense Force with advanced imaging systems for SH-60L helicopters, enhancing maritime surveillance and defense. University of Maryland and Georgia Tech won first place in the Vertical Flight Society's student design competition for their innovative disaster relief eVTOL aircraft designs. Vertical Aerospace's VX4 completed Phase 1 of its flight test program, showcasing safety in tethered flight, and is now preparing for the next phase of thrust-borne testing. Lilium announces Philippe Balducci's proposed appointment to the board, replacing Barry Engel and Henry Corpron, who will not stand for reappointment after their terms end. ICAO issued a global call for rapid, sustainable deployment of advanced air mobility, urging collaboration to enhance aerial mobility and development worldwide. Heart Aerospace revealed the ES-30 hybrid electric prototype with its first electric flight set for 2025, and AirAsia joined its advisory board to support the project. The U.S. Department of Energy is providing $12 million to support biorefinery technologies, focusing on sustainable aviation fuels to aid decarbonization efforts. Gevo is acquiring Red Trail Energy's ethanol plant and carbon capture site for $210 million, boosting its SAF production and aiming for positive EBITDA by 2025. The U.S. is finalizing a clean fuels tax credit program for 2025, with SAF production rising from 5 million gallons in 2021 to 52 million in 2024. To learn more, follow us now on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.